everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a beautiful 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. Wicked car, guys. I actually sold this car 8 years ago to a local guy. Lived right here in Clarkston. He's had it ever since, played with it, had a blast with it. I'll tell you one thing, this is a fun car to drive, man. This is one of those cars that'll turn the tires over easily. It's got a aluminum-headed 454 crate engine in it, 400 trans with a 2800 stall converter. It's an older restoration. It's done about 15 years ago, but very well maintained. He kept the car nice. You can see it's got a BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it with a 15-inch chrome Cragars. It's got the operable cowl induction hood, 12-bolt with F41 rear suspension. Car only shows 54,000 miles on it. He's put about, it looks like 8,000 miles on it I'm sorry, I apologize. I think there's about 8,000 miles on the car. It looks like he put about 6,500 miles on the car since he's owned it. You can see it's finished in torch red. It's got the white metallic SS stripes on it. Does have the hood pins. You can nitpick the chrome a little bit. You can see there's a couple little marks on the bumpers. And there is a couple little touch-up marks I've seen on the paint, but still very, very nice. He kept this car really nice. It's got the dual sport mirrors. Hits the road real good. That'll come off, guys. Handprints. Somebody must have been out here putting their hands on it. Good looking car. We'd always see him once every couple months. He'd stop in. Pretty car. Real pretty car. Car's nice and straight down the sides. Got a good looking set of wheels and tires on it. Like I say, as you walk around, you're going to see some little things like that. And this thing runs. This thing scoots. Disc brakes on the front. Again, 454 crate engine. You can see it's got a Holley dual feed 4-barrel, bow tie aluminum intake. It's got the GM Performance aluminum heads. Does have headers. It was an air car. You can see he's eliminated that. Power steering, power front disc brakes. It does have aluminum radiator with a factory shroud. Again, it's a 400 turbohydramatic transmission. Sorry, with the 2800 stall converter. The car really hits the road good. Sits good. Dual sport mirrors. Again, this is a remote mirror. I think it's got the original door. Its car only shows 54,000. That when they originally bought this car was supposed to be a low mileage car that had been sitting around, originally out of Texas. And then, matter of fact, the interior was supposed to be original. And you can see, you can kind of pick at it a little bit. But I guess the car originally came out of Texas. Bucket seats, console. You can see it's got the SS dash with the SS steering wheel like it should have. Headliner looks good. Steering wheel looks real good. Factory tach engages 54,346 on the odometer now. Factory AM FM radio is there, but it's got an aftermarket one in the glove box. It's got a custom sound system in it, matter of fact. H-pipe dual Flowmaster dual exhaust system in it. It's a 12-bolt, 373 limited slip rear end with the F41 suspension with the box control arms, rear sway bar, and it's got a billet cover on the rear. Again, you can see I'm not a radio guy, but it's got some wild radio in it. I think actually our guy Steve, God rest his soul, our radio guy that used to do all our stuff for it, just passed away, is when we put all this in for him. Jack with spares in here. Again, it's all spackle coated in the trunk. Everything opens and closes real nice. Floors are clean, pretty original. You know, I don't think it's ever like a frame off or anything like that. It's more call it a body up. Good clean door seams. Again, it's got a aftermarket radio in here. That all works. It's bumping, as the kids would say. Maybe they don't say that anymore. Maybe I'm old. Funny is, this guy's an older gentleman. He's actually why I sold it. Just said that he's starting to get old. It's got the functional hood, it works. Been pretty good at this one-handed, good stuff. Fun to drive. We'll get with the program, that's for sure. Tach works. Looks like all your gauges are working. You can see back here, the sun's in the back. The backup lights work. That works, blower motor works. Again, the cowl is functional. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that by checking us out at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page, our Instagram page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Heavy traffic. They got the E-way shut down, so it's going to be a little tough to get you a good shot on this thing, but